Hi, I'm Chad with the OneMelt team. I'm going to show you the automatic system for the OneMelt, and we're going to unpack it so that you know what to do with the components that you have. When you get it, it's going to be banded to the pallet, right? Cut the bands, take off the top. Remove some of the packaging. Notice that in here you will find a ship with kit which includes your safety glasses, your safety gloves, and also a user manual. So, this system comes with 2 automatic applicators, right? And also 2 automatic hoses. Your OneMelt system is going to be bolted to the pallet with fasteners, 4 fasteners. Remove those and then resecure in the location you'll be using this in your facility.